I think it was when ABC didn't know what they had.
Anusha's about to die. Pulled up in her Jeep behind this Maserati. What's up guys, it's Sarah X. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, I'm 24 years old. I currently live in San Diego, and welcome to another week in my life. We're eating sushi and we stumbled upon an amusement park.
So much fun. There's actually like a roller coaster,
adventure golf, escape room, bowling, rides. There's a creperie, Anusha. Going up to Cannonball to eat. Check out the seat we just got with this view. Got to go meet my roommates. They're not actually my roommates, like we almost roomed together, but then we couldn't find 4 persons, so now they live down the street and I'm about to meet them in person for the first time. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
We'll see how they feel about all my vlogging.
That a vlog?
Yeah.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
It's like it's so ugly now.
It's so ugly.
Sorry. Good morning guys. We are going to LA today for the first time for Anusha and for the first time for me since like high school. So this should be interesting. We're staying for 1 night. Okay, check out this outfit though. Like, to me this feels very LA. I'm not sure if this is actually the vibe, but you know, we're just trying to fit in. We'll see how much we actually fit in. Anusha has a cute dress as well. The car we're gonna be rocking in LA. Check it out. We got the rental car, it's super nice. Nothing's beeping this time. And we are off. Anusha looks so cute. Guys, look at this outdoor spin class happening in La Jolla right now. If this isn't SoCal. The Chick-fil-A sauce though?
Basically just mustard.
How do you put the sauce on your burger?
I actually don't. When we're in LA, we have to try out Dave's Hot Chicken.
Oh yeah, everyone was like, Dave's Hot Chicken is the place to go.
Although we did see it in Pacific Beach as well, and we didn't realize it was that big of a deal.
Ooh.
Because San Francisco didn't have any, and I was really sad.
San Francisco's all about the In-N-Out. Lemonade Frosty is apparently the way to go. I just got the lemonade on accident.
I love how you call it a Frosty, so but that's what they should label it as.
We have arrived at Griffith Observatory, which is the like dome planetarium thing that La La Land was filmed in. Griffith Observatory. We're going to a better viewpoint of the Hollywood sign. We're winding our way up, trying to get the best view of the Hollywood sign. It's kind of scary, not gonna lie. Look at that sign. It just says wood right now. Are those actual books?
No, just a cover.
About to get some dim sum. Shrimp dumplings, soup dumplings. Absolutely not. Ah! Anusha! Anusha's about to die. Do you see this?
Can you picture this, Sarah?
Yeah. Turn around, turn around. Wait, you look cute. Oh my god, amazing. We love all of these. You're like Britney Spears.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. We love it. We're at Nobu, LA.
Just got our valet parking.
Just got valet parking. Spicy crab. Some of the sushi. Truffle scallops. Banana bread with ice cream. You know, just pulled up in our Jeep behind this Maserati.
Look at the, I just don't want to hit it. That's my only.
Please don't hit it. Is it? I can't tell.
There was a Rolls Royce.
This is our hotel in downtown LA. It's super cute. It's the Kawada Hotel. We got 2 twin beds and we're just here for one night. Look how cute it is. And then there's like a little TV, and a couch, a little desk. It looks very like homey.
Yeah.
Like it's not super hotel-esque. It's like someone did this
boutique
themselves. Yeah. And then here's our bathroom with the shower.
Oh, and then the full-length mirror right here.
Yeah, we got a full-length mirror.
Awesome.
And like a giant closet, which we're not gonna have to use. So today was super fun. We kind of explored like West Hollywood a little bit, the touristy stuff, Walk of Fame. And we actually booked we were like talking about going to like the nice neighborhoods and looking at the celebrity houses, and right in that moment this guy on the street, like a vendor, was like giving us a pamphlet for celebrity house tours, and so it's kind of a sign, so we booked one for tomorrow, so that'll be fun. And then we're actually gonna go out to some of the nightlife clubs. I haven't been to a LA club, I think, ever, so this will be interesting. Day 2 of LA. We woke up a little bit later than we thought we were going to because we just got tired. Last night was interesting though. We tried to go to some spots. A lot of them were closed, which was surprising to me. And then the places that were open, you kind of had to like reserve ahead of time. And everyone there was like very, I don't know. They were
Influencer type.
They were very influencer type. A lot of lip injections. A lot of really intense outfits and put together nails and hair. Did not feel like I belonged. Did not even end up being able to go in because we would have to pay like $2,000 for a table. But we literally just stood outside and like observed everyone, and it was like very entertaining. It was like reality TV, super entertaining. Everyone like knew each other. It was very interesting. And now we're trying to go get some food before our celebrity home tour. So we'll see if we can make it in time.
You should tell them about the paparazzi.
Oh yeah, there was paparazzi at the bar last night, like 2 of them. And we didn't know who they were waiting for, but a bunch of fancy cars kept pulling up. I thought I saw a TikToker that looked kind of famous. But yeah, we were trying to figure out why they were there, but we'd never figured it out. So if you see it on the news, let us know.
Also, Sarah got photographed.
I did. They like took a picture of us. I was like, why? But if you see us on E! News, that's why. We wanted to go to Earth, but it's way too crowded. We don't have time. We have the whole tour bus to ourselves. There's a man trampling something inside, and they're trying to get him. He's like trying to break out from inside.
Anybody remember it called Hollywood Land? That's where him and Blake Lively are.
Wait, which one?
Ice-T and Coco were. And in between, when I guess no one owned it, Celebrity Rehab has been filmed there. Look up top, another modern house, newer, the one with the really cool roof, the wood and everything, where Selena would be now, and Jason, how do you pronounce his last name? Statham. Matter of fact, his movie is at the Chinese theater right now, Wrath of Man, I believe it is. Cool brick driveway. So look at that. That's just, you know, extravagant, over the top Hollywood excellence. This is where Greta Garbo built and Quentin Tarantino owns. And it's also one where if they were home at the time, someone would usually come out and wave, because you could tell that you wanted to be seen. Otherwise, there would have been a 50-foot wall of shrubbery that could go up within an hour. They bring that stuff in by the walls, like up on the right. Your own little slice of heaven, Janat. So again, the Widowmaker, and hey, the one up there without any guardrails whatsoever is called the Dead Man's Curve. And somebody went off the edge the other day. Like yesterday, actually. The helicopters were out here. Out ahead of us now, the Summit is the other reason I stopped here, because that's the ultra exclusive neighborhood where Gwen Stefani is having a birthday party for her kids right now. I can already see this decorations, the bouncy rooms. Vin Diesel's house is the one on the corner, the right one, the white one with the gray roof. That roof switches from gray to black in different light, it seems like. So that's the Summit. One way in and out of that place, and they got a gate with 3 guards 24 hours a day. First one on your right side, everybody. But you see how it is the biggest yard so far. I don't see any people over there though. I guess it's still pretty early. It's the mansion with the light gray. It's like a brown shaped L. Pool in the backyard, cars in the little courtyard. That's where Leo is hanging out. Bruno Mars, Bruno Mars, Bruno Mars. Everybody, you see what I meant by how big it is? See how ornate the gate is? But the house was beneath that roof line. Gotta have a nice fountain to go by every day, going in and out, you know? Oh. So Tyler Perry, Beverly Ridge, Leonardo. And just like that, it's $6 million more expensive. Motley Crue signed their record deal there. That's where Halle and J-Lo have owned. I don't think either one owns it now. Jennifer was the last one that owned it. Got Porsches, Land Rovers, Bentley, Rolls Royces, tour vans. So they call it the traffic circle, but as you see, it is not really a traffic circle. And this is the most humble house on Rodeo. This is 1.2 million. This is below average. This is Beverly Hills entry level. This is the 19 million something dollar mansion where you see the guys going in. And that's one of the family members or a friend, but it's still owned by the descendants of the original family who rebuilt it. Remember, they look like Anthony Gaudi. All wood, looks like a hand-carved door. Custom, custom, custom. I always joke, everything except the garage door is custom. I didn't think they used it for the whole season. I think it was when ABC didn't know what they had, so why go out and rent a house? But this is the backyard, by the way. They tinted the windows when it got really popular, both from people walking by and from vans coming up. It used to be a less tint than that.
Shrimp and grits. We're at Venice Beach. A lot of shops, a lot of palm trees, a lot of water, a lot of sand.
Look, like here, I already looked
Yeah.
straight down.
We got a basketball court up in here. This is just so classic. SoCal in my opinion. It's so pretty. Beautiful place we're eating at for sunset. Look at the squash
How did I end up getting a
lasagna
healthier thing than you did?
and some healthy charcuterie board type deal.
Yeah, Sarah, look. Oh my gosh, I think this is a forest fire. That's so sad.